Hello, my name is Seth from Northland Dodge, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in onyx black. It looks great. You do have the chrome accenting on your grille up here, as well as halogen quad headlamps right there. And coming around the side here, we do have 17-inch rims with our Komu brand tires. They look great. Those rims look awesome. You got lots of tread left as well. You do have heated exterior mirrors here, and coming all the way around to the back, we do have the SXT badging as well as the Grand Caravan and the Dodge there. We can open this guy up like this. And we got lots of room back here. It is indented as well. You do have some additional storage just on this side, and they are stow and go seats, so all you gotta do is follow the instructions. So this is 1, pull that, 2 is right here, 3 is right here, and 4 is this guy here. Fold it down just like this, and then you got even more room to haul stuff around. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock, but let's unlock and take a look on the inside. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Bit of chrome accenting on the handle, kind of the swirly pattern up here, and leather for your armrest, very comfortable. Handle here, some extra storage here, and a place down here for your water bottle. Lots of room in here, it looks great. Very comfortable seats as well, very soft, and they will be good on long car trips. Now over here we do have the controls of our lights. We have our off, our on, and our daytime running lights there. You also have your in-cabin light control here. And right up here we do have the controls over our windshield wipers, turning signal, and high beam. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now in the center there, it does also tell us that our kilometers that we're going right now. It does also say our liters per 100 kilometers, the temperature outside. We only have 2,900 kilometers on this vehicle, not very many. Then you also have your trip A and your trip B. You have your distance till empty, and back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your voice recognition, your call out for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. This guy here is our gear shift, just like that. And over here we do have our radio, so we can change that guy around. So we do have our AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as our seek options, our Bluetooth controls up here. You have your info, forward, rewind, and then your eject and your time for your CD player. Volume up and down, as well as the off or the mute. Then you also have your list, music type and setup, as well as your audio there. And then you have your presets down here with your set, and you have your aux cord plug in there. Down here we do have the controls over what it's going to blow out of. We have our heat, and it is a dual climate for you and your passenger, so you can have different levels of heat or cold. You have the power here. You have where you have the defrosts over here. Then we have our econ mode. We have our our hazard lights here and our traction control there. Then down here we do have some additional storage, some cup holders right there, and then some more storage just in there. And this guy here is some more cup holders, and then we have dual layer glove box, so the top one here, and a locking glove box just down there as well. And then right up top we do also have this guy, which is our sunglass holder with a little mirror on it. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now we do have lots of room back here. It does seat 7 people all together. The seats are very comfortable, just like the front, and they are stow and go seats as well. So all you gotta do is there's a little lever just under here. Pull that and lift this up just like this. Just like that. Then you pull this guy here. It folds up and down just like that. And then you can fold this back over top just like that, and it's out of the way. You can haul even more stuff, and if you do it with all of it, you have a ton of room back here. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.